Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the TBS Discovery top and bottom plates. So let's see if I can open this up. If that's possible to. No, it's not. Not like I want to unbox it, but okay. Blue. The box and some stickers. Okay. The connector, camera plate, drone drop. And that's the box. And let's take a look inside. So this is built in PCB, and this is the top plate. You can see the traces here. If you're running like every channel from your receiver, I think nowadays everybody runs S-Bus, or I mean it's a TBS, and I'm running. It looks like an orange receiver, but actually they're inside there's a Crossfire nano receiver. So I will be running S-Bus on this one because I will be using the old school NASA well, it's a Lite, but it has the firmware hack where you can run the V2 firmware on the NASA Lite hardware. So that's what I'm going to transplant from here to there, because this is just a 3D printed TBS Discovery. Very funny. And it's mounted with a 3D gimbal mount. So you have like, not only the Discovery Pro has only a 2-axis gimbal, and this is a 3-axis gimbal. So you get really nice locked in your footage. I mean, that's basically it, I think. You can see the current sensor. And I'm actually, that's like a little weird thing, but I'm actually going to be using the Immersion RC OSD, EZ OSD with this one. So yeah, could be really interesting. Fun fact, when the TBS Discovery was, crazy new shit, there wasn't a Crossfire, so Trappy used the EZ UHF, so the Immersion RC long range system. So I thought, since I'm definitely using the Crossfire RC link, why not use the OSD from Immersion RC? Will be interesting. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.